So guys, today we are headed over to the house and we are going to be putting up more sheetrock. But before we do more sheetrock work, we have to get a beam built for the wall in between the living room, dining room area to the kitchen. We're gonna take out the wall in between. Well, it's a load-bearing wall, and to do so, we have to build a beam up in the attic that stretches in between the outer wall of the house and the inner wall of the house that are both also load-bearing. So to take out a load-bearing wall, we have to build this beam up above. So what I picked up was two 2x8 by 10 foot pieces, and we are going to, there's two of them, gonna put them together, sister them together, and then we're gonna lag bolt the whole thing all the way down. We're gonna drill holes, lag bolt it, tighten it, and make a beam. Once we do that, we're gonna put it up in the attic, and you're gonna see us try to fiddle that up in the attic and stuff. Don't know exactly how it's gonna work yet, but that's the plan in that. So it's a rainy Sunday, but that's why we're doing inside work. We still have to concrete the front flower beds so that they don't leak water into the house, which was a horrible design from the first place. But we are gonna do that once the rain stops. We can't do it while it's raining because that defeats the purpose of us doing it. You know, concrete can't set up and stuff, so we will get that done maybe midweek. It's supposed to rain a lot, and it's been raining a lot lately, so you know, I don't know. But let's get over to the house and let's get all that built. I'll show you how to build a beam. See you in a minute. So guys, we are making this beam.
Finally.
Finally. So what we're doing is we have a 1/2-inch drill bit and we have lag bolts and lag screws, and what we've done is we put two 2x8 by 10s together, and I have them lag screwed at either end, and we are drilling holes all the way through both so we can lag bolt it to create this beam. So I have a hammer drill, makes it easy, and we just drill all the way through. We're putting 16 bolts in all of this so that we have enough to make a beam. So let's get to drilling. So what we're working with is a 1/2-inch by 3.5-inch lag screws or hex head. We have washers. Slide it in. Flip this up, you see it pops all the way through. Another washer and our bolt. And we'll get all these put in, and then we'll tighten down here in a second. So guys, as you can see, my pregnant helper, well, pregnant helper does everything. She's pregnant now, so we'll have kittens from that little thing. But we have our tools, our open end, and we will get everything tight. So guys, I noticed something, and the power's off right now, but I noticed something earlier. I went outside to check on some stuff. You can see how this brick wall is leaking from the front of the house, which gets the base plate wet, which of course in turn molds. But it's both the same way in that bedroom and this one. But I noticed when I was touching it from the outside, it was like sending a current through my body. And we put the tester on it, and the tester shows that this is fully electric. It's actually running power through the water. So we have a short somewhere in the attic. Pretty much I'm thinking it's between the two lights or the bedroom light or something. So that's something we're gonna have to figure out down the line, but for now we've cut the power so we can finish building this beam and the wall. So guys, as you can see, we have our beam. Let's see if I can get up here. I don't want to block the light, but as you can see, we have our beam. We have a block and a stabilizer on that side, same on this side. We have all these strapped to the rafters or joists so that we can hang everything from this beam. So we can take out this wall. So this wall is going to come out. We already cut the vent pipe out that you saw. We have the water lines that we have to tee off up here. But then after that, everything is ready to come out. Well, the wall can come out. We can leave the pipes hanging. But yeah, so that's what we had to do. And as you see, this and the weight, everything's transferred down to these three studs here. So all the weight that usually was carried by that top plate and this wall is being transferred now through the beam and then down into these three studs, and on the other side it's being transferred down and into the outside wall, which is now becomes, well, it always was a load-bearing wall, but it now becomes an even more load-bearing wall. So now that that is spanned and we have that all connected and done, we can now take out this wall, and the weight from the ceiling, from everything, is transferred into those two walls, and this wall becomes a non-load-bearing wall now. So our next step, take this wall out. Well, we have to brace the other side with some screws real quick and then take out the wall. But wall's coming out, guys. I'll give you a little before and after from back here along the new garage wall. You can see what we have, what we're dealing with as far as walls there, and then you'll see it afterwards. I'll do it after, when we take this wall out. You can see how open this is actually going to become. Let's go.
It's heavy.
Knock it.
Oh, here's some water.
It's yours. That's when she brought you.
Yeah. So guys, you can see the wall is out. This is looks really good, really open. We did find a nice roach nest over here in this wall when we took that out. But that is all gonna be covered up. We're gonna make a barn door for there, so it slides over these. all we have left to do is cap these 2 water lines, and this will be fully done, and then we can sheetrock the ceiling, sheetrock the 2 walls, and this room's almost done. So guys, that was it for this video. We did get a lot of house stuff done today, which was really, really good. And as you can see, it really opens up this room and opens up the entire space. So we are getting there. Progress, guys, progress. One step closer. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like the videos. Go pick up a sticker off the website. I still have a few left. Go grab help support. And I'll see you guys next video.